naman.
Hello guys, Lily, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Long hair?
Right now we are here
Long
at the
hair?
fourth court of the Penn Center.
The Penn
Saint
Center.
Saint Catherine's.
Selfie.
It's not selfie.
Yeah, yeah.
It's video. It's video.
Ano?
It's video.
It's okay.
No, it's video. Don't you?
Yeah, it's video nga. Must be like.
Tingnan mo yung Jollibee niya. Oh.
Sumaya siya.
I know, right? Iyak siya ng iyak.
How did he get here?
By plane.
But how did he get to the...
We want to see you. Why you're here?
How did you get here? Sabi niya. Oo.
How did he get to...
See? Kasi alam niya yung scar isa lang ginamit nila. So,
Oh, yeah.
it's Lola V's car we use, be.
Let's go, come.
You want to ride with Papa and Mom? Go find out.
No.
No, right with helping mom.
Yes. Ay, waray kami anak kuan, lingkuran. Ha?
By the balloon, girl.
Ano yun, te?
Baby, yung merong ano.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Kay ano, kay Alessa.
Alexa. Uy, ano pang bibili natin, te?
Kuha yung baby na yun.
Okay, let's go. Yes.
We know where that is.
Si Alessia. Si Alessia. Maganda. Ito.
Princess.
Walang princess eh.
Basta pang babae. You want balloon also? Okay. Okay. Bye, Papa. Kaya ito na akong wallet ano. Kaniday.
Honey.
Ato era. Ato pa. Don't touch, be.
Is there no battery?
Which one is yours, be? You want that or no?
This one.
Oh, Papa.
You want to battery?
Eh, it's okay without battery.
You want this? Papa, ano mo?
What do you say, anak?
Magkano din po atin?
Take a look at this stuff, guys. These are very nice.
Joke natin. Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige
Sin-
na. Okay lang. Sige natin. Okay lang. We will buy battery for this. Yung puti. Yung... Okay. Uy.
My car.
We will give to pay first. Oh, give it to Papa. Keep willing to pay.
Waiting.
Kaya ang mga kabataan. Ito.
Son, you're gonna pump that.
Anong kiss? Anong kiss?
Debbie, yeah.
14.
Meron pa? Meron pa, te?
Lagyan nyo lang ng battery kasi wala rin siyang battery.
Oo, palagyan na natin sa daddy niya pag-uwi nila sa kanila. Mas
Oh.
battery has po this, ha?
Mine is better like a McQueen. Mine is better.
Why is there's no battery? If you were gonna buy, there should have battery in it. Mm.
Mine is better. Like in McQueen.
Cars na naman siya, car.
I know.
Yan nagmakin. Yeah. Happy siya. Happy siya.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Dinoco. Look, look. There's Dinoco, look. Dinoco.
Dinoco.
Yeah, blue one. Dinoco. My favorite car. Yeah.
Eh, McQueen. Wala yun na. The name is McQueen.
Akin na. Yung resibo sa akin kasi. We're gonna
Let's go na lang.
day mo.
Can't stop.
Padala ka mo, Papa. He's a happy baby.
Alam mo yung kay kuya mo?
Hmm.
Ayaw niya, alisin yung ganito niya. Binigyan ko siya noon. Parang baby.
Guys, we're leaving the mall.
Oh. David.
Buti mainit dito, no? Alright, love. Wait a second, baby.
Wait lang.
Sakit na ng kwarto.
Where did we park, JP?
You got it, don't worry.
Over there.
Ano kain ko ni Masakay? Amon? Okay. With mom and pop? Papa?
Oh.
Bye.
Ano natin sa naman yan, oh? Okay.
Okay, baby. You're gonna ride with us, right? We'll see mommy later.
You have to put it in the back.
Oh, okay.
Put in the back.
Put in the back. Okay, go see Papa na. Go in, get inside. Ibakol up na lahiya pa. Are you okay, babe? You're gonna see mommy after. Okay, they're gonna come with us. Gonna follow. Yeah?
Beside you.
Ayun, ganyan lang daw.
Mag-ano na lang pa.
Okay lang kami, okay lang.
Ha?
Yeah.
Mag-seatbelt na lang ka mga dos.
Oo, mag-seatbelt.
Mag-seatbelt ka mo pag duha ka mo.
Hindi ba mahigpit dito?
Daling ka niyan.
In the basement.
Who's in the basement na?
Grandpa.
Grandpa, what is he doing?
I don't know. I'm working.
Oh, working.
Itong malabas. Might be here.
Oh, Hyundai. I like Hyundai.
You
They
like?
are the shape of a Tesla.
Yeah.
But I never see the biggest Tesla in the world.
Oo.
Di yan
Yeah,
titigil.
there's no, it was the maroon one. The red one. It's bigger than normal Tesla.
Bigger than normal.
It's bigger than normal Tesla.
Must be
So
here.
big is the biggest Tesla in the world.
Yeah. It's bigger than. Oh, is that mommy?
It's a head, yes.
I feel the Sienna.
Hello, Sienna.
That's the car of mommy. Yeah, kompleto yan.
Ilang Toyota.
I follow the mommy's feel the Sienna. I see
Mhm.
them going faster than us
Yes.
because they have a lot of gas.
They have a lot. Lola B has a little gas. That's why we're not faster.
Oh, it's full tank, Lola.
That's why we're not fast.
Ni Lola. Ganda ng bus kasi little gas na.
Little gas ka lang.
Ikaw talaga. Ang galing mo. Ito gas
Oh,
off.
ayan.
Mas mura pala dito.
Oo.
95 lang. Marami pa tayong gas eh.
Are you going that way?
Yeah.
Sa
Yes.
406, we are there. This one?
North or
Yes,
south?
This one.
South, yeah.
Gonna be in south.
Where are they?
They're faster than us. They're there, oh.
Yeah, we're gonna
They have lots of gas.
we have lots of gas. We're gonna have lot of gas too, Okay, we're gonna pass slowly but surely.
Yep.
I think we're going so far.
No?
No, we're not.
Diretso.
Where? That's the mommy.
Yeah, they're. Yeah.
Where are they?
Tayo sa Niagara.
We're still here in Niagara region. We're moving
St. Catharines.
We're from St. Catharines to Fort Erie now.
If
Yeah. Tita, Erling and Alicia. Yeah, we're going to Alicia.
oh, that's mommy's cousin, Alicia.
We're gonna
Mommy's cousin.
you're gonna see what's the name of the dog?
Is she?
Hershey, yes.
Si Hershey. Ay, napala tayo kay Hershey.
Yeah, he knows Hershey pretty much.
Hey, we went to Alexa's house.
Yeah.
Hello, si Alexa. Namit niya na si Alexa.
Oh yeah, they played a lot already.
I said to mom
Is it wrong? Alicia. It's Alexa.
There's baby Savior. And Papa.
I think that's mommy's blue line.
Oh yeah.
That is mommy's blue line.
Yes, they're faster than us.
More gas.
Because a lot of gas.
Yeah. More gas. Than Lola B.
Lola B, you have to
Lola
put
B.
more gas because you're not faster.
We're going as much. I think we're going too fast. Look, we're going fast.
Look at that. This is a lake. Yeah. It's the lake.
Why are we? Why is the map? Why we're going so slow in the map? And we are slow.
Because we have less gas.
Hindi sila naikbit dito. Ano? Kasi iba talaga yung
No, kasi
masakit.
Ganda dito, no? Parang ano lang.
Papa, Mommy says Master's house is close to your house.
This Font Hill, mega.
Daddy and Mommy and Daddy can get there because they have a lot of gas.
Yes.
That's the car of Mommy's car. That.
I can't see them because they're. I can't see them.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we're catching up because look, we're going too fast. Hey, what is that? Hey, let's take a ball stadium football. It looks like a football stadium. It's around the world.
Ah, may disgrasya.
Meron ba?
Where are they?
Yeah.
I can't see.
They're ahead of us na.
Can't see them. I. Oh. No,
We're turning, be.
Turn around.
oh, there they are.
There they are.
I saw them right there.
Ayan mo na pa.
Stuck right there. Now we're
Stuck?
Yeah, they're stuck.
Maybe
Now we're
there's
ahead.
no gas.
behind us now.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
behind us now.
Yes.
Okay.
I saw them stop right there. So now we're beating them.
Beating them. Yes, we're ahead. Ooh, we're underground.
the tunnel.
Tunnel. You like it, baby? Nice. That was nice.
Oh, we went to the zoo.
Where's the zoo?
Zoo is
Beach.
The zoo is on the highway. You have to pass by.
I went to the wrong way.
Gandang pag-practicean niya.
I know, maganda. Maganda totoo yan, te. Englishin mo? Ay, naku. Practicean
Kaya
mo.
diba, yung mga nani dito,
Yeah.
magagaling sila mag-gano.
Oo, practicean mo yung
Pinagpa-practice
bata.
yung mga ano nila, alaga.
I-slang mo pa yan, walang pakialam.
Sometimes they teach how to, if it is their Bisaya,
Uh-huh.
they teach the language, their dialect.
Dialect
How
para matuto yung bata.
cute.
It's the other way, right? Around. So, matuto siya mag-English, matuto yung bata mag-dialect. Oh my God.
Because they're facing the road. That's like
Coming soon.
what happened right there.
We are approaching our friend's house here
What?
at Fort Erie now.
Swimming.
Why?
The water inside is dirty. It's like
Oh, look at that house.
And does it look like
Napanda mo na ito?
Hindi pa.
Ay,
Palasyo yata itong napuntahan natin eh. Ha? Oh,
tabi ng dagat sila. Oh.
tingnan mo yan, oh my goodness.
That red one?
me.
Tabing dagat pa ha, nauna pa silang mag ano.
Sana
Oh my
ba?
God,
Ito
oh my
pa.
God, oh ito oh.
Doon sa
Wow. Ang ganda dito ha.
tabi ng dagat sila.
Look at it. Wow.
Wow. we are here at the lake.
888.
That one. Is it?
Sa 8. Doon sa kabila.
Nice houses here.
Huh?
Look at the, Be, look at that lake, Be. Oh.
I know, I'm not.
I know.
I know daw. I know.
There's the water here.
Yan. Doon yan sa likod.
Ito.
Yan.
Is this the house?
Likod. Sa likod.
Wow, this is a huge one. The so good. Wow.
Dali. Ito
Is
nga
it
ba?
their house?
Ito
Sa
one?
kabila ata.
Kabila?
Alexa's house, mommy?
May truck ate, may truck to.
Papa, is this Alexa's house?
I'm not
Yes,
sure.
over here. The other one. Okay.
881. Doon ba sa
Whose
kabila?
house is that?
Baby Lexus house. No, it's the wrong house, anak.
Wrong house. This one. Gonna be
Oh my
Look
God,
at it.
it's like the water is gonna.
Baka dito sa kanila.
Hey, I saw a water house.
go.
A water house. Do you ever see a water house?
No, up over there.
Ayan na si Comparing Alan. Yes.
There they are. They arrive here, guys. Thanks for watching.
There we
Please like,
go.
comment, share, and subscribe. I bet you have a video.